Happy New Year! 2026 I'm in the Philippines, by the way. Wow. It's very dark. Just look. Did you see the fireworks? Maybe you did. I'm not sure. Just look. You can hear it. I don't think there's any more. Okay, that's it for today.